Are your vehicle papers in order, especially your car insurance? Come, let me tell you something. Hello guys, welcome to Silva Squad channel, and this is Silva's Take. So recently, the Nigerian Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kayode Egbetokun, announced that from February 1st, the police will be going hard on vehicle users, checking their vehicle papers, especially their insurance. What he said was that, yes, that the vehicle insurance is a must-have for all car users. And the minimum insurance a car user can have in Nigeria is the third-party vehicle insurance. And this third party vehicle, there are different kinds of insurance. There is the comprehensive, the third party, and all that. But the third party is the minimum you can have. And the third party covers the owner of the insurance. It covers your liability. This means that if you're involved in any accident or stuff like that, it covers the liability. That it covers for the damage you have caused the other person. Maybe the car damage, bodily harm and all that. That's what it covers. It will not cover yours, but the comprehensive will cover everything. If it's an accident, damage to your car, damage to the other person's car, if you are the cause of the accident, if it is fire, it will cover fire, it will cover loss, and other things like that. So, but the minimum, he said, that's the Inspector General of Police, is the third party insurance, and we know that one is relatively cheaper to the comprehensive. I think they have different rates, I don't know, but it's cheaper. So let's listen to a bit of what the Inspector General of Police said about this car insurance and why they are going to focus more on the insurance from February 1st.
The third party insurance is the minimum level of insurance cover that is required by law. Section 68 of the Insurance Act. And of course, Section 3, 1 and 2 of the Motor Vehicle Third Party Insurance Act make it mandatory for all vehicle owners to have a minimum of the third party insurance before they put their vehicles on the road. It's a requirement for roadworthiness of vehicles on Nigerian road. The enforcement of this law has been part of our daily enforcement activities in Nigeria as police. Regrettably, the Nigeria Insurance Association reported that less than 30% of vehicles on Nigerian roads are insured. That's a challenge to us, and I want to assure you that we have taken up that challenge. We are going to increase our efforts with respect to enforcing this law. This law protects all Nigerian citizens from damages and injuries they suffered during a road accident. So it is in the interest of all Nigerians that we pay special attention to the enforcement of this law. And I want to assure you that from 1st of February, like you suggested, you are going to see increased efforts in the enforcement of this law. The enforcement of this law has numerous benefits to the citizens. Number one, it ensures that victims of road accidents get the necessary compensation they deserve. It also protects people who become victims of road accidents while traveling in commercial vehicles. There is also the economic benefit of it. It helps to grow our insurance industry in Nigeria. The insurance industry in Nigeria is growing, and they are employing our jobless youths, so we need to support them to also grow. It also encourages responsible driving culture on our roads. When motorists are aware that they will be held responsible for their actions on the road, they tend to behave better. And I quite agree with you that without intensified efforts on enforcement, people will not want to comply. I want to take this opportunity to remind Nigerians that the violation of this section of the law is an offense that is punishable by law with imprisonment or with fine or with both. So I want to encourage all Nigerians to take this seriously, to ensure that they go and get at least third-party insurance cover for their vehicles before they put those vehicles on the road. The full enforcement will commence, like I said, from 1st of February 2025. So I thank you for coming.
So you heard what the IGP said. It's going to create jobs. It's going to add to our economy. It's going to do a whole lot of things. And more importantly, it's going to keep you and I safe on the road, you know, having insurance on your car and all that. So he has said all that. So for all road users in Nigeria, please get your papers intact before February 1st. Don't say you didn't know, you didn't hear, because ignorance of the law is not an excuse. So get your papers intact, get everything ready on or before February 1st, because all the police are going to be out. They'll be checking your papers. They'll be checking if you have insurance, especially. So get all that. And one other thing I would want to add is that from using cars, from driving, I know that there are a lot of people who do fake insurance, fake car papers and registration and all that. They do a lot of it. So be careful. A lot of people, you give some people, they call themselves agents, you give them your car papers to renew. They'll go to one business center, they'll change dates, they'll do different things, they'll print out something for you, something that is not in the system. You know, they'll just print them out for you, and you think you are all good. You are not all good. So be sure of where you are going to, you know, do your car papers, renew your car papers, and make sure that you are getting the original thing, so that you will not encounter any problems from any angles or quarters. So this is the information I said I should bring to you all today. Till I come your way next time, please like, share, follow, and do drop your comments. Doing all this will definitely help make the channel grow. See you all next time. Bye-bye.
Silva Squad Channel.